In Fergus, once a quote or estimate is accepted, the priced job automatically becomes active, creating a job phase where you can schedule work and add materials or labour. Customers can accept a quote or estimate themselves using the link in their email. To do this, they need to open the quote email and click Accept, enter their name and any notes if applicable. If terms of trade are attached, they must review and accept them. Finally, they can click I accept the quote to confirm. Once accepted, the quote automatically becomes an active job and a job phase is created. You'll find it in the scheduling column the next time you check. If a customer has given verbal or written approval, you can manually accept the quote on their behalf. Open the quote or estimate, ensure it's published, you can't accept or reject a draft, and click Accept in the top right corner. Once accepted, the job will automatically become active and a job phase will open, ready for scheduling and job tracking. And that's it! Activating the quote or estimate in Fergus is as simple as that.